And they took us from that camp, which would be the third camp, to Czestochowa. Czestochowa was a religious Polish town, and I was working. They took me to a place in Raków. Raków was a factory where they melted steel into big, long boards that came out of the rollers from the oven, and then they used to cut it into certain lengths. And my job was to pick them up and put them on little wagons. At that time, I injured my finger, my two fingers, and because I didn't know how to do it the right way because I was only a young kid, and so they sent me to some place to, I don't know whether it was a first aid place or what, and they put on two sticks and they bandaged it up and they sent me back to work. And inside that factory there were soldiers, mostly Ukrainian soldiers, and maybe some Polish soldiers. They joined the German army, and they used to when they used to see us, they would try to do some terrible things with us. One guy caught me and he pushed me into under the hot water, and I came to the bathroom to use the bathroom. He grabbed me and he put me under the hot water and tried to burn me like this.